SmartBabyToon, bedtime fables that calm young hearts. Once upon a time, in a bustling old city filled with temples and markets, there lived a humble ass. He was strong and hardworking, often carrying heavy loads for his master, though simple in nature. The ass sometimes dreamed of being admired, respected, and loved like the noble animals he saw in stories. One morning, his master had an important task. A sculptor had finished carving a sacred idol, a beautiful statue meant to be placed in the grand temple at the heart of the city. The idol was adorned with garlands, polished until it shone, and decorated with bright cloths. The master placed the idol carefully on the ass's back and said, "Carry this with care. Today you are part of something holy." The ass felt proud. His back was covered with flowers and cloth, and the idol sat high upon him. As they walked through the streets, people stopped, bowed their heads, and even knelt in reverence. The ass looked around in amazement. "They are bowing to me," he thought. "At last, everyone sees how important I am." With his head held high, ears pricked up, and tail swishing proudly, the ass strutted through the city. He brayed loudly, as if to announce his greatness. "Look at me," he thought. "I am honored by all. I am no ordinary beast. I am worthy of worship." But the truth was different. The people were bowing not to the ass, but to the sacred idol he carried. Their reverence was for the divine image, not for the animal beneath it. The ass, blinded by pride, stopped in the middle of the road. He refused to move. Puffed up with vanity, his master grew angry. "You foolish creature," he cried, striking the ass with his stick. "Do you think this honor is for you? It is for the idol you carry. Without it, you are just an ordinary beast of burden." The ass winced at the blows and finally understood. When the idol was removed at the temple, the people no longer bowed. No one looked at him with respect. He was simply a tired animal, trudging home with his master. His pride melted into shame. That night, as he rested in the stable, the ass thought deeply. "I was foolish to believe the honor was mine. The respect belonged to the idol. I carried it, but I did not create it. I must never again take credit for what is not mine." From then on, the ass worked quietly, carrying loads without complaint. He learned that true worth comes not from borrowed glory, but from honest work and humility. See, kids, do not take credit for what belongs to others. Pride in borrowed honor leads only to shame. Good night for today. Tomorrow we'll meet again with another gentle story right here on SmartBabyToon. Subscribe now so you never miss the next bedtime tale. Share with your friends, because when stories spread, every child sleeps.